Hello guys, welcome back to Programmatically Technical. I hope you guys are doing fine and welcome to day 3, lesson number 3, which is going to be data types. And first of all, I would like to ask you, did you guys learn the difference between var, let and const and their scopes? Okay, and if you have, then bravo, well done. If you haven't, it is perfectly fine. No need to worry, I'm here for you. You can look at the videos again, and if you still find it difficult, just comment below and I will help you out for sure. I promise you. Okay, so today what are we starting? What we're starting is that there are two types of data types, okay, and one is primitive data type, the other is non-primitive. But we will be learning only the primitive data types today. Okay, what exactly is a primitive data type? First, let's look at all the types of primitive data types. String, number, Boolean, undefined, null. But we are only going to be focusing on these three for the time being. Why? Because we are still in the basic level, okay? And once we understand this, we will eventually understand this and move forward. So one step at a time, guys, just one step at a time, okay? So for the time being, I'm going to erase this. Okay, and let's start with the examples. Let's say let str is equal to apple. Now what exactly is a primitive data type? A primitive data type is the type that can only store one type of data. For example, this is a string and it can only store text. You guys must be thinking, what if we use a number here? Well, it looks like a number, but no, it's not. It's actually a string. Anything in between the single ticks or these double ticks is a string, is converted to text. Okay, and it's up to you if you want to use a single tick or a double tick. It's completely up to you. Now console.log, and I write str, and you say, wow, this is a number, this is 50. You're lying to us. But no, guys, I'm not. Why would I lie to you? All right, this operator, this type of operator, helps us to identify the type of data type we have in our variable. So the type of str is a string. See, guys, I told you I wasn't lying. I mean, you guys are my, like, you guys are the community I need. Why would I lie to you? Okay, so note this down. This type of operator is very important. It helps us in lots of cases. Trust me when I say this, it helps us in lots and lots of cases. Anyways, now let num is equal to 20. Well, you guys must be thinking, wow, the color is different. Well, for one compiler or this IDE, red means string and green means number. So see, number can only store number. A string can only store text. So when I say console.log type of num, it sounds more like yum, but no, num. Okay, it's a number. And last, let bool. You see, it's asking us to complete this, but we cannot write boolean because it is a built-in keyword, and built-in keywords cannot be used as variables. So let bool is equal to, it can either be true or it can be false. And this returns, because this is something new, this also returns in either true or false. See, it says false, and if I write true, it says true. And the type of bool, it gives us boolean. So what we've learned up till now are what exactly the definition of a primitive data type, the types of data type, the types of primitive data type that we're going to be doing. Okay, the other two we'll be doing them later on. Now that we've done this, let's start with something interesting. Primitive data type are also known as pass by value. You must be thinking, what is this? So technical. What do they mean by pass by value? Well, let me give you an example. I have a friend who owns a garage and he sells apples. So my friend has apples. Okay? And I write console.log and friend. And I wonder what it's going to say is apples. Brilliant. Okay. And I have my own garage, all right? And at this point, all right, I don't have any fruits to sell, all right? I'm broke. So I ask my friend, hey, dude, you're rich. You've got lots of apples. Can I have your apples? That sounds wrong, but yes. Can I have your apples? And he says, yeah, sure, why not? So let myself is equal to friend. What actually has happened is the value inside this variable is now stored in this variable, which means the apples I got from him are now in my garage. So this friend has its own separate location, separate memory location, sorry. Okay, and myself has its own separate memory location. I hope this makes sense. Okay, so console.log myself, and I run it and it still gives me apples. Wow. So this actually means this worked. Good. If you understand it, well done, great. If you don't worry. Okay, I got you, and you can ask me anything in the comments below. Okay, next step. Friend is equal to kiwi. I'll give you 5 seconds and guess what just happened, or if you don't want to guess, then if you know what's happening, then tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, if you figured it out, brilliant. Okay, brilliant. But if you did not, it is perfectly fine. Everybody learns on their own pace. No need to worry, no need to panic. I have got your back, and I will make sure each and every one of you learns JavaScript the proper way and can excel in this language. Well, guys, I have reinitialized this friend which had apples and now has kiwi, which means he just got another garage. Okay, friend just got another garage in real life term, but in coding terms, he made, or friend made, another memory location, and his its previous memory location is now destroyed or garbaged. Okay, these are the coding terms. So I write console.log friend. See, kiwi. This variable now has the value kiwi, but the apples that myself got from